Welcome back to AutoView Pro. It's always a pleasure to have you here as we dive deep into the world of vehicles that don't just move us but inspire us. Today is special, because we're looking at something that takes the idea of travel, adventure, and freedom, and puts it all on wheels. I'm talking about the brand's new Liberty Cruiser 2026 motorhome, a vehicle that feels less like a machine and more like a lifestyle choice, a moving sanctuary designed for people who want the road to be their home and the horizon to be their backyard. This isn't just about specs, features, or gadgets, though we'll get into all of that. It's about what this vehicle represents and how it transforms the experience of traveling. The Liberty Cruiser brand has always stood for a certain kind of adventurous luxury. Their past models earned reputations for being reliable, stylish, and filled with clever innovations that made life on the road not just manageable but pleasurable. The 2026 model pushes those boundaries even further. When you first see it, the presence alone is striking. At over 35 feet long, this motorhome has a commanding stance, but it doesn't feel bulky or intimidating. The designers have gone for clean aerodynamic lines, subtle curves, and a front fascia that looks more like a futuristic SUV than a traditional boxy RV. The LED lighting signature gives it a modern edge, and the use of chrome accents around the grille and window frames adds a touch of elegance. Even the wheels, with their polished alloy finish, make a statement that this isn't just a home on wheels, it's a premium vehicle designed with as much care as any luxury automobile. Step closer and you notice details that reveal the thoughtfulness behind the design. The side mirrors are slim yet wide-angled, equipped with integrated cameras that feed into the 360-degree monitoring system. The exterior storage compartments are seamlessly integrated, flush with the body, maintaining the clean silhouette. The entry door feels sturdy and automotive-grade, with keyless entry and a retractable step that glides out smoothly when you approach. Along the side runs a massive retractable awning, lined with LED strips, transforming the motorhome into an outdoor lounge when you're parked. There's also an external entertainment system, including weatherproof speakers and a concealed smart TV mount, perfect for evenings under the stars. Now, let's step inside. Open that door, climb aboard, and the Liberty Cruiser 2026 immediately feels like stepping into a luxury apartment that just happens to be mobile. The designers clearly took inspiration from modern Scandinavian and minimalist interiors, blending light wood finishes, soft neutral upholstery, and ambient lighting that can be adjusted to suit your mood. The living space feels expansive, thanks in large part to the dual slide-out sections that extend at the push of a button, instantly widening the lounge and dining area. With them extended, the central aisle is broad enough to walk comfortably without any sense of squeezing through. The lounge area greets you first, and it's a true centerpiece. Plush reclining seats upholstered in eco-friendly leather line one side, while a convertible sofa sits opposite. The seating isn't just about comfort, it's integrated with heating and cooling functions, USB-C charging port, and fold-out tables for working or dining. Facing the lounge is a 55-inch 4K smart television that rises smoothly from the cabinet with the press of a button. Paired with a surround sound audio system tuned specifically for the motorhome's acoustics, movie nights or sports events become immersive experiences no matter where you're parked. The panoramic windows, with their dual-pane insulation and motorized blinds, give you the choice between soaking in the view or enjoying total privacy. Moving further in, the kitchen reveals itself as a marvel of compact yet efficient design. Liberty Cruiser has long prided itself on making kitchens that feel usable rather than cramped, and the 2026 model nails that balance. You get a full-size induction cooktop, a convection oven, and even a built-in air fryer, reflecting modern cooking trends. The countertop is a solid surface material that resists scratches and heat, while an undermount stainless steel sink with a retractable faucet keeps the area sleek and functional. Storage is abundant, with soft close drawers, modular shelves, and a smart pantry system that slides out fully so you can actually see and access everything inside. The refrigerator is residential grade, with a generous freezer compartment, smart temperature controls, and a power management system that ensures it stays efficient whether you're hooked to shore power, running off the generator, or relying on the solar panels mounted on the roof. That's right, the Liberty Cruiser 2026 is equipped with a next-generation solar array system, providing up to 1,200 watts of renewable power. This is paired with a lithium-ion battery bank and an intelligent inverter, meaning you can go off-grid for longer periods without worrying about running out of power. It's not just about sustainability, though that's a nice bonus, it's also about freedom, with the freedom to park anywhere, even miles away from the nearest hookup, and still enjoy all the comforts of home. Across from the kitchen, you'll find the dining nook. Instead of a fixed dinette that often feels cramped, Liberty Cruiser has opted for a versatile solution, a sliding table with adjustable height and modular seating that can be configured for 2, 4, or even 6 people. The chairs double as storage compartments, another clever use of space. The area also serves as a secondary workspace, with built-in power outlets, wireless charging pads, and even a small monitor that folds out of the wall for remote work setups. It's a nod to the reality that many people today blend travel with work, and the Liberty Cruiser is built to accommodate that lifestyle seamlessly. Further back, the hallway leads you to the bathroom area, which is split into 2 sections for convenience. On one side is a spacious shower with a rainfall shower head, LED lighting, and a clever water recycling system that filters and reuses grey water to extend your supply when you're off-grid. The shower feels as large as one you'd find in a small apartment, thanks to the use of glass doors and clever lighting. Opposite the shower is a private room with a porcelain toilet, a modern vanity with a backlit mirror, and ample storage for toiletries. The design once again emphasizes style without compromising practicality, with chrome fixtures, solid cabinetry, and soft close mechanisms. At the rear of the motorhome lies the bedroom, and this is where the Liberty Cruiser 2026 really sets itself apart. A king-size bed dominates the room, equipped with an adjustable base so you can raise the head or foot at the push of a button. Memory foam and cooling gel layers ensure a good night's sleep, whether you're parked in the desert or up in the mountains. Surrounding the bed are wardrobes with mirrored sliding doors, overhead cabinets, and even a hidden safe for valuables. Ambient lighting wraps around the perimeter, customizable through the central control panel or even via a smartphone app. Speaking of which, the entire motorhome is built around a smart ecosystem. Lighting, climate, shades, entertainment, security cameras, and even tank levels can all be monitored and adjusted through a central touch screen or remotely via your phone. It's an integration that feels natural and intuitive rather than gimmicky. The bedroom also features another large TV, discreetly mounted on the wall, and a window that runs nearly the entire width of the rear wall, providing breathtaking views when you wake up in the morning. Imagine opening your eyes to a sunrise over the ocean, or a mountain vista framed perfectly by the twide glass panel. That's the kind of experience the Liberty Cruiser is designed to deliver. Now, let's talk about what's under the skin, because while the living space is impressive, this is still a vehicle, and performance matters. The Liberty Cruiser 2026 is built on a heavy-duty diesel chassis, powered by a 7.2-litre turbocharged engine producing around 360 horsepower and over 900 pound-feet of torque. That's plenty to move this massive home on wheels with confidence, even when towing additional trailers or vehicles behind it. The transmission is a smooth shifting 10-speed automatic, optimized for efficiency and torque delivery. Air suspension ensures a comfortable ride, soaking up bumps and leveling the motorhome automatically when you park. Driving the Liberty Cruiser is easier than you might expect. The cockpit is designed more like a luxury SUV than a traditional RV. The driver's seat is fully adjustable, heated and cooled, with lumbar support and massage functions. The steering wheel is leather-wrapped and integrates controls for everything from adaptive cruise control to lane keeping assist. Yes, this motorhome is packed with advanced driver assist technologies, including blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a semi-autonomous highway driving mode that can handle steering, acceleration, and braking in certain conditions. A massive curved digital display stretches across the dashboard, combining the instrument cluster with infotainment functions, navigation, and live camera feeds. All of this makes piloting the Liberty Cruiser less intimidating, giving you confidence whether you're cruising down the highway or maneuvering into a tight campground spot. The integration of the 360-degree camera system, complete with bird's eye view and predictive path overlays, makes parking surprisingly stress-free. Add in crosswind assist, hill descent control, and intelligent traction management, and you've got a vehicle that feels stable and safe in virtually any condition. Fuel economy, while not the first thing on most motorhome buyers' minds, is respectable for a vehicle of this size. The advanced engine, paired with hybrid assist technology that recaptures energy during braking and coasting, allows the Liberty Cruiser 2026 to achieve mileage figures that are better than many would expect, stretching your range between fill-ups and saving money over the long haul. On the topic of range, the Liberty Cruiser offers multiple tank configurations, with a freshwater capacity of up to 100 gallons, grey and black tanks that are intelligently monitored, and even a purification system that allows you to draw from natural water sources when needed. The generator, solar, and battery setup means you're rarely limited by power. The propane-free design, relying instead on electric and diesel systems, also makes it safer and more eco-friendly. Living with this motorhome is about more than convenience, it's about creating experiences. Imagine pulling into a national park, extending the awnings, setting up a small outdoor dining space with the built-in grill that slides out from one of the storage compartments, and enjoying dinner with a backdrop of towering trees or desert cliffs. Or imagine working remotely from the dining nook, finishing a project while parked by a lake, then stepping outside with a kayak that you stored in the spacious rear garage. The Liberty Cruiser 2026 isn't just a vehicle, it's an enabler of lifestyles. Of course, a motorhome of this caliber comes at a premium. The base price of the Liberty Cruiser 2026 starts well into the six-figure range, and with options like upgraded battery systems, custom interior finishes, or advanced tech packages, it can easily climb higher. But for many buyers, this isn't just a purchase, it's an investment in years of travel, comfort, and freedom. Compared to the cost of vacation homes or extended travel expenses, it can even make financial sense for those who plan to spend a lot of time on the road. Another thing that stands out about this model is the attention to sustainability. beyond the solar system and water recycling. The materials inside are chosen with care. Many of the woods are sourced sustainably, upholstery uses recycled fibers, and even the insulation is eco-friendly, providing excellent thermal management while minimizing environmental impact. Liberty Cruiser is clearly aware that the future of travel needs to balance luxury with responsibility, and the 2026 model shows they're taking that balance seriously. Safety, too, has been prioritized. In addition to the driver assist systems, the motorhome is equipped with fire suppression technology, carbon monoxide and smoke detectors integrated into the smart system, and reinforced crash structures that meet or exceed automotive safety standards. These are the kinds of things you hope never to need, but they provide peace of mind knowing you and your family are protected. In the end, what the Liberty Cruiser 2026 delivers is a reimagining of what a motorhome can be. It's not just a box on wheels, it's a finely crafted, intelligently designed, and beautifully executed home that moves with you. It bridges the gap between high-end automotive engineering and luxury interior design, creating something that feels cohesive and inspiring. Whether you're a retired couple looking to explore the country, a family wanting unforgettable adventures together, or a remote worker blending career with exploration, this vehicle adapts to your needs. Spending time inside the Liberty Cruiser, even just for a review like this, you can't help but feel the pull of the open road. You start imagining the places you'd go, the mornings you'd wake up to new landscapes, the evenings you'd spend with loved ones under the stars. And maybe that's the greatest achievement of all. It doesn't just impress you with features and specifications, it makes you dream. It makes you want to take the keys, start the engine, and see where the road takes you next. So, that's the Liberty Cruiser 2026 motorhome, a vehicle that redefines what it means to travel in style and comfort. It's bold, it's advanced, it's luxurious, and it's practical in ways that make sense for modern life. If you're someone who values freedom, adventure, and the idea of carrying your home wherever you go, this might just be the ultimate machine. And with that, I'll wrap up today's deep dive. Thanks for spending time with us here on AutoView Pro. If you enjoyed this look at the Liberty Cruiser 2026, be sure to subscribe, drop a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. Or would you see yourself traveling in a motorhome like this? Until next time, safe travels, enjoy the ride, and keep chasing the horizon.